Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking toffee apple cookies. I know, they sound delicious and they taste delicious. They're a perfect sweet treat for these autumn months. So, let's get cooking. Woo! Apples are one of the most widely grown fruits. Apples are part of the rose family, just like pears and plums.
What?
Pomology is the science of growing apples. Apples can improve your memory.
Wow.
Has anyone seen my pen? I can't remember where I put it. I know, I'll just eat an apple. That always helps me remember. I know exactly where I put it. Thank you, apple. Apples contain high levels of boron. This stimulates electrical activity in the brain and increases mental alertness. Most expensive apple is the catchy. It costs $21 or £16 or €18. What? All that for an apple? That must be one good apple. It's true. Sakaichi means world's number one in Japanese. Ooh!
It's true. I'm known as the number one. Not only am I number one, but I'm one of the largest grown apples in the world.
Isaac Newton, an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, theologian, and author. Wow, that guy was smart. Discovered gravity. He came up with the law of gravity when an apple fell on his head. La 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 la. Ow! Eureka! Gravity. Gravity is a natural force that pulls objects towards each other, of course, of course, of course.
Gravity is a natural force that pulls objects towards each other, of course, of course, of course. Without gravity there'd be nothing on Earth. It'd fly into space and leave her turf. The force pulls everything back to Earth. So when you jump, 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 you drop. Gravity is a natural force that pulls objects towards each other, of course, of course, of course. Without gravity there'd be nothing on Earth. It would fly into space and leave her turf. The force pulls everything back to Earth. So when you jump, 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 you drop. Gravity, oh gravity, oh. Gravity, oh gravity, oh. What goes up must come down. Good thing gravity's around. Gravity, oh gravity, oh.
Most of the antioxidants in an apple are contained in the skin.
Wow. Wow.
So, when eating your apple, don't forget to munch on the skin for full benefits. Delicious and nutritious. Apples float in water because they are 25% air.
Miss G say what?
That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I upload weekly cookery videos where you guys can cook along with me and learn interesting facts about the ingredients. So, subscribe to my channel now for more weekly updates. Yeah! Subscribe for more of this.